Hello guys, let's learn animal names. Giraffe. Once it's been born, it only takes a giraffe about half an hour until it can stand up. It can also run after just 10 hours. Elephant. Did you know? Elephants have fingers on their trunk for grasping. Cow. It has been proven that if you get to know your cows and name them, they will produce more milk for you. Dog. Dogs have feelings and needs, and they have to be taken care of properly. Sheep. Sheep are intelligent animals with great memories. Research has shown that sheep can recognize up to 50 other sheep faces and remember them for 2 years. Monkey. Monkeys eat plant-based foods, and also meat in the form of bird eggs, small insects, and lizards. Horse. Horses can be spotted, have patches of colors, or be one main colors with different colors on their face or legs. Each of these horse colors has a unique name. Manta ray. The manta ray is a cartilaginous fish. This means it is a fish that only has cartilage and no bones, like sharks. Cat. Adult cats have 30 teeth, while kittens have 26 teeth. While us humans have 206 bones, cats on average have 244 bones. Deer. Male deer grow antlers every year. The antlers fall off in the winter. Female deer cannot grow antlers. Starfish. Starfish do not have a brain. Chicken. Chickens were domesticated about 8,000 years ago and evolved from the red junglefowl, which are tropical birds that live in the jungle. Octopus. The plural of octopus is octopuses. Octopuses have 3 hearts. Fox. Foxes can make over 40 different sounds. Foxes make use of the Earth's magnetic field to hunt. Panda. Pandas can swim and even climb trees. They spend a lot of their day eating. Caterpillar. Caterpillars have 6 eyes. They are called ocelli or stemata. Their eyes can see light, but cannot see an image or colors. They don't have lungs. A caterpillar's gut moves on its own. Caterpillars don't have teeth. Crab. They have a very short tail and are covered with a thick shell. This means that crabs are not fish. Crabs are invertebrates, which means they have no backbone. Hedgehog. Hedgehogs are nocturnal, which means that they sleep in the day and only come out at night. Duck. Ducks are omnivores, which means they eat a variety of different things, including plants and other animals. Turtle. They have a hard shell which helps keep them protected from attackers and the elements. The official name for their shell is a carapace. Rabbit. A baby rabbit is called a kit, a female is called a doe, and a male is called a buck. Seahorse. Seahorses' bodies are covered in tiny, spiny plates, all the way from their head down to their curled, flexible tail. Otter. Otters are long and slim animals with 4 short legs that can be longer than a meter. Bear. All bears have an excellent sense of smell, allowing them to sniff out food, mates, and their cubs. Hello! Frog. Frogs have excellent night vision and are very sensitive to movement. The bulging eyes of most frogs allow them to see in front, to the sides, and partially behind them. Clownfish. Male clownfish are dedicated fathers. They will prepare the nest for the female. Ladybug. One ladybug can eat up to 5,000 insects in its lifetime. Rhinoceros. They are known for their awesome, giant horns that grow from their snouts, hence the name rhinoceros, meaning nose horn. Llama. Llamas are domesticated mammals, meaning that they are no longer living in the wild. Tiger. Tiger stripes are unique. Tigers can use their ears to communicate. Hippopotamus. The hippo can breathe, see, and hear while its body is underwater. Goldfish. Goldfish belong to the carp family. Goldfish have been known to live for over 40 years. Lion. The color of a male lion's mane is a reliable indicator of his age. The older the lion, the darker his mane. Flamingo. The word flamingo comes from the Latin and Spanish for fire, referring of course to their bright pink feathers.